I'm Pete Bennett, and you're watching Big Bennett TV. What's up, guys? Today, I'm going to show you how to change the wiper motor on your Dodge Ram Cummins Turbo Diesel Ram 2500. Now this has been long overdue. So pretty much what we got today is we got a junkyard motor. You can tell by the writing and stuff. And we're gonna take that off. And I got Paul to help me because Paul knows all about Dodge Ram Cummins Duramax and all that stuff, right, Paul?
No, just willing to learn.
Yeah, just willing to learn. That's what you always gotta have, is an open mind and an open wrench. So we're gonna get to it. So the first thing I'm thinking we gotta do is take off all these clips for the cowling and take that. Oh, they're already really loose. And then we'll take off this cowling too. Oh shit. And now that's going to gain us access to the wiper motor. So I guess we're going to take the linkage off with the motor. Paul's got the handy dandy gun. It's coming off like butter. So I mean, in theory, this should just lift off. And now we can change out this motor that we have diagnosed as bad. We're not 100% sure if it's bad or not, but we're going to assume it is, and we'll get it back together. So the only thing that holds that on is a little nutty buddy. Hey Paul, is that a 10 millimeter?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Everything's a 10.
Yep. And it's not. It's snot. I'll just get an adjustable.
And a 13 mil, I guess.
Well, if you have one of these, you never have the wrong size.
Until it's too big for its max.
Yeah. Oh, it's moving the wipers. Actually, I'm gonna move it right like there, and then
gun it.
Put an impact on it because it's moving. It's one of these two sizes, a 14 or a 13. I'm gonna start with 13 because, yep, it's a 13. So we're gonna put that on. We're just gonna get this job done because we're getting rain tomorrow. And you know what they say about rain? Rain makes corn. Oh shoot. Now they have more. I guess these gotta come off too. I didn't know it. But they have to. And then this motor should come off, but it's a wow, it's kind of like pressed on there. Friggin' shit. Just gonna hammer it with this. There. Boom. So that's off. Might be seized, it might not be, we don't know. Until we put the new motor on and test the wipers. So this new one comes with a new nut, a new used nut, and some hardware. Some new used hardware. You just want to make sure that, you know, you always torque it to the right spec, because if you don't, you'll have problems. And then this, I don't know how we're gonna get this so that it's the right way. What do you think, Paul?
I think 90 like that, 90 degrees.
90 degrees?
Yep, and then go from there.
Okay.
Might have to start it and park it and then try again, but
yeah. And we'll do just that. There. That should be good. I mean, good enough to get it going to the right setting so we can fine tune it on the truck. Because you can't guess. I mean, that doesn't appear to be shaking at all, so should be strong. Let's get her on. Is this the part where we can fine adjust it, Paul?
after you turn them on.
We can't bolt the whole thing up, can we?
Yeah, you can bolt those 3.
And then
if you want, you could close the hood and just put the wipers on without the cowl and stuff and see how it works.
Alright. So now, we got the wiper motor in. We tighten her up. Just giving her a little tighten. Pretty much what happened off camera is, I just tested it to see if the power, right here, actually turned this motor. And as it seems, the motor was bad. So now we're gonna put it all back together, and we should be good and on our way. So we got that one there. It clips in right there, and I think there's a rubber piece right here, Paul, that does something. Hey Paul, was there any tools that were left in there?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay, because I thought maybe I left something in there, but if I didn't, then that's good. So pretty much now that all is put back together, you just put some clips in on there. You put the screwdriver in, and well, we'll put the wiper arms on. And it should be good. So now my dad's testing it. Gonna see if the sprayer works. And it looks like it might be.
Hey, well, I would park it a little bit higher.
Yeah. Huh. So we might have to move the wipers up just a little bit. Yeah, so pretty much what you gotta do when you lift these up, you pull this tab, they come off. And then you wanna move them, one sec. Probably right here, eh, Paul?
I think that should be good, yeah.
And then try it now. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. Now use your sprayer. Yep, use your sprayer. Push in. There you go. So we just successfully installed the wiper motor.
That's great.
And this is what I was using, was a sawhorse to stand up so I could get on the truck. So now guys, if you have that problem, just with your wipers and stuff, it's the motor. 9 times out of 10, it's the motor. Replace your motor because it's got bad brushes. And we'll see you In the next one, if this helped you, comment down below. If it didn't help you, let me know why it didn't help you in the comments down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs down, but give me some kind of thumbs. See you guys in the next one. Peace.